So, if you're looking for a tent, 1 or 2 days trip, he houses 2 people. If you're bigger like me, and it's just 1, or 1 dude and 1 tiny lady, would do just fine, man. So let's do some review on it. We have 3 poles, 1 for the entrance and I keep it separator, and the other 2 is for that inner shell itself. Connecting to the one of the pins, and obviously proceed with the other one. The inner bit is white. Try not to step on it because you're gonna get dirty real quick. All of them ready. Raise them, hold with one hand. Find the middle of it. There is a hook in there which you connect like so. You start with the other ones. Once you connect, when you connect 5 of them, it should be stable enough to let it go. Like this. The job is gonna get easier. You basically finish all the hooks. Lift the corners, adjust them accordingly, so the floor would be as flat as possible. So, okay. Finished uncutting that ropes. So I'm leaving them on always. This is faster usually, but this time, as I'm showing for someone, it's the opposite. It gets all tangled up and shit. You can do the entrance bit by putting the pole through it. Take the gray bit and shove the stick in. Got the pole through that thing. You got yourself an entrance. That's the front porch. It attaches in here afterwards. It's quite useful, especially in a rainy day. 4 of the corners on the shell you can find these hooks that attaches to the ring in every corner. Peg the tent in place and also fasten it up the ropes. Oh my fucking god! Over there. Definitely ones. And that's number 3. Oh. Basically, make the loops at the end of them, so you can hook them in that way, shove it in the ground. You need to make it tighter to adjust this bit. what those are making, they allow a tent inner core to stay out of touch from this one peg.
See, it's super easy, barely inconvenience. As you can see, it's super easy and barely inconvenience. We have a standing tent.
Okay, so let's explore the way it looks from inside. Also, take into account that peace down. Take into the account it's difficult to do stuff with one hand. Oh my fucking god. Hello. Take into account, yeah, I didn't adjust it properly, so it's like it doesn't flush inside with the outside shell. It should be fine. Motherfucker. Okay. It's a little bit dirty because I was using it for almost a year. Yeah, you can hang some shit in here. There's place for your stuff to put. It doesn't get wet during the rain unless the outer shell sides are not tightened up and they're touching it, then yeah. But all in all, oh yeah, there's also a porch thing which is over there. I'm 1 meter 91 centimeters tall, and for me, let's just look. Yeah, so if I'm lying down, my feet will be touching the end and my head will be touching this bit as well. So it's not too big, but you can lie across like in that way. Then it's fine. And it says for 2 people. No, it's just for 1 person and your stuff. In definitely bad case, bad scenario, you can fit 2 people, but it's not comfortable at all. I mean, it weighs 2.9 kilograms, so it's not really the light one, but of course the price is really the good price, so it doesn't seem to be bad, they just weigh a lot. And that's what goes into the price. You know, if you want something really light and really waterproof and sturdy, it's gonna cost you like, I don't know, 5 times more than this. So that's fine for like shorter hikes. I mean, I did like long hike, but it wasn't perfect for that. Anywho, thanks for watching and see you next time.